So about Global Software Architecture Summit. It's kind of a nice event. First of all, especially after a couple of years of pandemics, it's nice to see a lot of experts from different countries reuniting into an event, especially in a beautiful city of Barcelona. Sharing experience, sharing knowledge, trying to make an impact on their work and try to enlarge their knowledge. I do enjoy talking to different people from different countries, as well as trying to establish some connections. And I think the most interesting part of any conference is, of course, the networking event, which happens in between all the sessions.